Introducing this Origami arrow dart. It looks like an arrow, and it is a dart. Check it out. Ooh. Want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use a sheet of origami paper. So let's begin with the, I'm going to make a green stick with a white arrowhead. So white side up, so the arrow side up, and fold it half diagonally. Crease sharply, and let's make a kite base to fold the two raw edges to the crease. Okay, and fold right over this edge. Okay, and I guess I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see this. Okay, fold to here. And turn over and fold this edge to the crease. And repeat on this side. Alright, and turn over. And fold this up like this. How much? Fold it in between these 2 points. And make sure this point aligns with this line. And you don't really need to make the whole fold, you can just make a crease mark right there. Like that. Alright? And now, fold this point to that crease mark. And notice we're folding underneath the white part. Like this. Alright? Like that. Don't fold it on the white part, fold it underneath it. And crease that nice and sharp. And repeat right here too. Fold this point to here. And make sure you're folding underneath the white part. Alright, and fold both sides to the middle again. So we're narrowing it out. And make sure you hold this down so the paper doesn't slide up like this. Alright, and same here. Alright, and now we're going to get rid of these 2 white triangles somewhat, and here's how we're going to do that. So let's first make a mountain fold along this edge here, like this, like that, and fold along this edge too, like this, okay? And this is kind of a tricky step, so hope you can be able to do this. So we're going to take this raw edge and fold it to this edge and this edge at the same time. Alright, and really be careful so you don't rip the paper, because it's kind of easy to rip right there. If it rips, it's alright. It's not gonna be noticeable. There you go, like that. There you go. It doesn't get rid of it, ideal, but that's about as much as you can get right there. And let's do that on this side too. I mean, you're still going to see a little bit of thickness right there, but it's fine. Okay, and take the edge and bring it to the line, to the edges. Like that. Alright, and our arrow is almost done. We just need to try and narrow it out a little bit, so what we're going to do is we're just going to overlap one segment. Like this. This is actually optional, but it's pretty cool like this too. But yeah, I think it looks nice when it's narrow. Alright, and then try and fold it in half. And you can just fold to the white, like this. Yep, and once you did that, there's your arrowhead done. Okay, so to throw this dart, it's not really the best flying model in the world, but I think it's really cool looking. It's an arrowhead, and it's an arrow dart. Yep, so I'm gonna see if I can hit the target from back here. Here we go. Ooh, almost hit the target. Ooh. Not quite. I'm trying to have the tip of it hit the target. Da! Nailed it. How did I get it to stick to the target? Well, let's just say it's a little video editing magic. Okay, make sure you subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.